Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out one of my new Dollar Tree finds. I finally went to the Dollar Tree the other day for the first time in a long time, and I love the Dollar Tree and I love trying out Dollar Tree makeup, so I was actually able to find a few products that I had not tried out yet that I picked up. I got some Wet n Wild. I think I might have got all Wet n Wild products, and then this here, which I didn't recognize the brand of this at first, but now I think maybe I have tried out maybe one other lip product from this brand. It's called Broadway Colors, and this is the Matte Lip Lacquer. And I got this in the shade Pink Drop, and this was the only one of these left at my Dollar Tree. I have learned that seems like all different Dollar Trees have different inventory, different makeup selections. The Dollar Tree that I actually went to doesn't have a big makeup selection, so I was surprised to find these really great Dollar Tree finds. But so this only cost $1, very securely packaged because it's in plastic wrap and also in that, I don't know what it would be called, the other packaging. Okay, the packaging on this is actually pretty nice. I like the matte pink. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh, definitely seems like a thick formula. It's like a flat, rounded tip kind of paddle applicator. Hope you can see how that looks. And then I'm also going to swatch it. Ooh, a very pretty baby pink shade. Wow, I love that color. Here's what that swatch looks like. It definitely seems like a whipped type of texture, so I'm so excited to see how it's going to look on my lips. Oh man. Light lip colors are hard for me. I'm just laughing because it makes my lips look so washed out. But so the packaging said it was supposed to be like the same color as this packaging, and I'm like, oh, that's a beautiful shade, but it's actually a lot lighter when I actually applied it. Such a pretty color, but not, in my opinion, my best color. I just really don't know how to pull off shades that are lighter than my natural lip color. Especially when it's not a fully opaque formula either. I just feel like I can see so much texture. I can see like some of my natural lip color peeking through. I don't love this formula, this whipped formula, because it definitely shows texture. It's not super moisturizing, but it's not fully matte either. And it almost has a little bit of like a gritty feel. And it doesn't dry down, so I feel like if I do one little transfer test, it's just all gonna come off. Let's see. Yeah. A lot of transfer, and now it's just even more faded and textured on my lips. So I really like a long-lasting lip formula. I like, if it's not a long-lasting formula, I want it to be comfortable, moisturizing, and this is just none of that. And then of course it's also a shade that for me is unwearable. Wow, I am very surprised by this, and definitely surprised by how big of a fail it is. I have not had a product fail this bad in a while. So, good thing I only spent $1 on this. If you see it at your dollar store, don't be deceived by the color of the packaging because it's actually going to be a lot different. That is In my opinion, part of the fun though of trying out Dollar Tree makeup products is sometimes they surprise me so much by being amazing. Sometimes they surprise me so much by being so much worse than I could have expected. But oh well. Thank you so much for watching today's video anyways. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.